Step 1, remove backhoe from barn. Step 2, spin backhoe the proper direction for loading. Let's see how this turns out. This is working way better than I thought it was going to. Now it's facing the right direction. One minor snag we had is the hose slid out. We'll fix that at the end. And it's at its final resting place. Not too bad.